you going, silly? Where you going, silly? Yeah, what you doing? Here's Jet. He's doing really, really good on that left arm. You can see no more splint. He's building up muscle again. We're still doing interior work on my house. He's happy. He gets to play. He's got the whole living room. There's no floor in here. Oh, what, silly? What, silly? He's a healthy and happy boy. Runs out the kitchen door, out to the backyard. No, actually out to the side yard. I will not let him out back. And you can see here the walls have all been put back in. Ceiling is all put back in. You can see the difference here in the kitchen. The kitchen ceiling is all put back in where they had taken out, and around this kitchen window out to the side yard. The paint I had on before was the Swiss Mocha with a brown base instead of a yellow base. And so now they have finished the texturing, let it dry, came back, sanded yesterday. So that is finished. The ceiling, all the ceiling, all put back together. And here's Jet. We keep getting up at 2 o'clock in the morning. This is not fun. Did you stop? He's playing with my feet. That my boy. That my boy. Let me walk around. Can't really see. Ow! Ow! Jet. All of this is all put back together. All the walls, ceiling, everything looks really nice. Just a very light texture. What, silly? What, silly? As he pounces around. He's got a lot of room to play in here. And when it gets daylight, then I go out and play in the side yard with him. But, okay, so we are ready for flooring and paint. What? What, Jet? Here's a kitty cat. Okay, anyway. I tried to mop off some of the dust off of the fireplace. What's out there? What's out there? What's out there? I already have the new ceiling fan that's going to go up, back up in the kitchen. I'm not going to be able to see anything out here. Not enough light. Nope, it's not going to adjust. I have 2 dog houses out here. Jet will not use either one of them. Don't know why. They just won't. And this wall and ledge coming down, all repaired, all finished. So this is an update on Jet and the work that is being done on my living room, on my house, the interior. The brand new cool roof has already been put on. So, and we will see you next time.